I reckon we make like a just a little animated GIF, which is little animated GIF that's pretty much just 2 frames. What I'll do is I'll have like this frame, and then it'll fade to like a nice mock-up of one feed, like inside this circle, still kind of wrapper thing, and then we'll go back. I reckon we'll do that. I think that sounds good. Oh, and also while we're at it, I might actually copy this border color because oh wow, okay, it's not actually gray. It's kind of dark green. Um, but yeah, so I think we'll do that, and then probably we'll make the animated logo. Well, I say animated. It's not really animated, just 2 different frames. One of which is basically already made because it's just the logo. And yeah, and we'll basically see how it goes from there. Let me just move this over here for a sec. Here we go. So I think I'll copy this file and then, yeah, I'll copy this file and then we'll copy this file. So what are we gonna do? I don't remember how this thing works. Did all these fancy things with like making it have multiple things in one file, and then yeah, I don't know what happened to it. I think we're gonna delete everything except for this guy. And get rid of this grid. It's better. So I'm actually gonna add a. Why is this not working? Just work, please. Thank you. Here we go. I'm gonna add a border to this. Um, a way to make it only inset? Apparently not. I guess we'll just do it like this then. Let's go like 50 pixels. 50, yeah, like why not? Let's go 30 actually. 30 pixels, and then we'll steal this color here. And we'll group this and basically just move everything in. a bit. There we go. So here's, actually, I'm going to rename this. I'm going to say, actually, you know what? No, I'm not going to rename this. I'm going to duplicate this, make a second one over here, ungroup this, delete that, and then I'll drag in my, wait a sec, I think this is going to, just chuck this here, because I think it might show up some, like it might chuck things in a weird place. Yeah. Where are we going? Drive. Actually, it's in downloads, isn't it? I'm gonna search up like who's this guy? Let's have a look at his blog. Um, hmm. Um, there you go. I guess something like this. Pinterest. Can you download stuff from Pinterest? Like as in proper quality? It says it's 2048 by 2048, so, you know, maybe. Oh, it's from this original site. I see. Um, Save it over here. All right. I think I can probably do this up here. Yeah. That looks very wrong. Probably because, you know what I might do? I'll trace this as a bitmap. It's one of these, isn't it? Path. Here we go, this one. This is gonna turn it into like a vector object, so then I can like snap stuff to here, you know. It's a bit too much. Let's go here. Okay, is that gonna do it? Perfect. So what we can do is we'll chuck that one like chuck this one like behind here, so we won't see it, but now it will be able to like clip things to here, you know. In fact, I'll do it this way. Oops. I'll say let's go over here. Perfect. And boom. Look how good that is. We should actually also, I'll add a bit of space here because on a real iPhone, the actual page would only start here. And above that, we'd have like a, we'd have like the menu bar and stuff. So, is it called a menu bar on mobile? I think so. So that's why it would, that's why it's looking a bit weird otherwise. Actually, you know what? I'll just do like a little freehand drawing. Do 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 do. There we go. Fill that. See, I'm sure there's like much more fancy ways to design these things, but I don't know. Guess I'm old school or whatever it is. There we go. Look how good that is. And we don't actually care about what's going on at the bottom here because, like, we just don't. So, yeah. And then this guy I'll send, like, right to the bottom. Like, as in, to the bottom of... Whoops, I think I sent the wrong one to the bottom. Send that one to the bottom, this one to the top. There we go. And then I guess we'll chuck all this stuff in a group. So you know what? I am going to delete this guy. Oop, wrong one again. Because we can always get it back, you know? Cool, here we go. Should be all nice. Chuck that in a group. Now we can turn this back on and can make it all nicely centered. I reckon we go like up, I reckon we go that far. Ooh, actually that's a good point. I reckon we probably want this, we probably want this thing to go over it, maybe. So you know what, we probably don't. Do we? Don't we? I'm gonna say we don't. I'm fairly sure how this works. Oh, I'll also need to clip it actually. So yeah, I reckon the best way to do this is just get rid of this stroke and then clip this guy to that. Clip. There we go, boom, look at that. I'm kind of thinking maybe I make this border a bit darker. Like, that dark? Surely not. Say we go 75, 5. How does that look? I think that looks kind of alright, hopefully. Yeah, alright. It's kind of banging. Chuck this in here. This one's already in a thing. So I'm fairly sure how this works is I'll say ph logo 1. Did that set? Yeah, and then this I'll say ph logo 2. And then I'll save it and I'll do it over here. I just realized, damn, I didn't mean to do that. I had this secret stuff on for the whole last ages. This is what I've been working on. Sorry, I meant to show you me making that. But yeah, bit of a rip. So yeah, I guess I'll export this. And now, okay, perfect. So we have our two icons now. Now we just have to figure out how to chuck them into a GIF together, which I think that's Easy GIF I usually use. Easy GIF Maker. Here we go. I hope this quality is going to end up alright. Where's this in? One feed. Yeah, here we go. I just uploaded it to Easy GIF. Is there a way to preview this? No, let's just try and make a GIF. See what it looks like. Okay, well that's way too fast. Changing this value. Say delay time. That would be 20 milliseconds? 20 hundredths of a second? I don't know, let's try like 100. Actually, I'm just thinking we probably want to pause longer on this one because we want it so when they hover it immediately goes to this. But I'll set this to like maybe 300. So I think 300 is 3 seconds. And then what if we go crossfade? Let's go 20. I just realized I forgot to press make a GIF. See what it looks like. Maybe we go 200, 200. I reckon we go 200, 200. Let's go 250, actually. That's what I'm thinking. So you hover over it and it's like boom. And we wait a while, which I don't like. So I reckon, I'll just take a screenshot of this in case I forget it. I reckon we, is there a way to add things to here? Right, so basically what I've done here is I just added this a second time. And what that means is we can have a really small delay at the start, even like a 1 frame delay or something. And then here we can say like 250 and then like 249 and then boom. I haven't chucked the delay yet, but I reckon that's alright. I'll try it with crossfade, but crossfade? What am I saying? Crossfade frame. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm vibing with this. Honestly, we're vibing with this. I'm taking a screenshot in case I need to use that configuration later. But yeah, where's the download button? I'll just chuck it here. Save. Here we go. Save file. What are we going to save this as? Oh, it just saved to my downloads. Solid. Just move it here. Actually, seems to have outputted weirdly. I'm going to say don't stack frames. I don't know why it's doing that. For some reason, the GIF when I'm previewing it on my computer, it kind of overlays them weirdly. So I'm gonna try uploading it to Product Hunt, and then we'll see if it's a like my computer thing or if it's a Product Hunt thing. All right, it's busy uploading. Okay, yeah, it's just a my computer thing. It's working perfectly on there. I reckon we update it. Let's go. I don't know if I made this this border thing too heavy. Honestly, no, I like that. I think it's good. Oh, but that's really gross. It's like this. I guess I'll have to I'll add a white background and then I'll add a white background and then yeah. Oh, I just realized I had the secret stuff on. Okay, basically, so I uploaded the icon. It looks like this, which is all nice, but then you click on it and then it goes like that, which is not so nice. So I'm gonna quickly just edit things. so that it works properly. And then, yeah. When I say works properly, I basically mean I'm just going to add like a white rectangle background to both of them, and then it'll just look fine. So yeah. Did I not group these? Apparently I didn't. So I'm probably gonna need to copy this, aren't I? All right, and luckily I have a screenshot of those options, so actually I still have the options open. So easygif.com/maker. Let's go. Maker. Don't even know what my point was there. All right, here we go. It's GIF time. So what do we have? 1, 250, 249, 610. I think it was literally 1, 250 and 249. And here 610. I think that was it. I think that's literally just it. I'm actually feeling a bit more awake now, which is good. It's maybe because I'm doing stuff, you know. Just gonna save this. Wonder if they support animated PNGs, actually. So that would be interesting. Anyway, I'll update this logo. Edit. So yeah, I probably should have made a GIF logo earlier. I don't know if it'll actually help or not. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. We'll see. Okay guys, if you want a status update, what I'm doing is I just realized that actually all the places where the logo is shown on Product Hunt, the background color is, the hex code is F9, F9, F9. Which is really nice because it means I can just use the one hex code. So it's a bit annoying because now I'm re-exporting everything for the third time, but you know what, that's alright. Batch export. This time it's going to look epic. Awash. Is that a name or is that just a wash? Anyway, hello, thanks for coming. What's the oof regarding? In fact, I don't know. I don't remember seeing you before. I don't know. The fact that we're in second or the fact that my export is having to be done twice or... Oh yeah, okay. Sorry I've got this whole secret mode thing on a bit, by the way. It's basically just because it's all the stuff involving file pickers and things, and I don't want you, you know, like seeing all my files. But in a sec, I'll make it like unsecret, and then it'll be a little more interesting for you, hopefully. Here we go. Oops. How do I make one feed? Made it using Vue.js. I've never really properly used React. I used it like a bit. I don't know, maybe like half a month or something, and then realized I didn't like it. But that was a few years ago when I was a bit worse at programming. So should try it again sometime, I guess. Probably it's more employable, if you know React. But yeah, scraping sites. You mean for one feed? Yeah, it mostly scrapes sites. Yeah. Um, well, it uses RSS feeds where available, and then where it's not available, then it scrapes sites. So yeah. All right, we're gonna get the GIF right this time. I can feel it. Feeling good about it. phlogo.gif. All right, upload image. One feed. Here we go. I think I can take this off now. Just uploading the new image. And hello. This should be animated. Wait a sec, I'll try uploading it again. Oh, wait, there it is. It's just taking its time. Okay, perfect. I'll update it. Been thinking about making a side project too. Nice. What's the side project? Ah, that's really annoying. Because the first frame looks like this. So what I'm going to have to do is export that singular frame with a white background, then export the rest of them with a grey background. Things you do for a product on launch. Then for some reason this color is off anyway, which makes no sense because it literally says grey. It would be so much easier if Product Hunt just let you have a PNG with a transparent background, but yeah, apparently not. So that's solid. Maybe it's like a color settings thing. Yeah, no, you know what? I have no clue. It looks like close enough. Like you can tell something's wrong there, but it doesn't look crazy terrible. Then here, so there it looks too dark, and then here it looks too light. But I swear it said they were the same color. Go figure. Oh, this is F3, F3. Okay, so it looks like basically either we make it look nice on here, or we make it look nice on here. What are we going with? So dumb. It would be so easy if they just supported transparent GIFs, but apparently not. Yeah, okay, so I think I'll make the first frame white, and then I'll make everything else not white, and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I think I'll go with the thing. The thing. I'm very specific. I think I'll go with, yeah, making it look nice for the first thing and then a little bit off after. This one, what are we doing? This one's white. Okay, so this is VH logo 3, VH logo 1, and then cool. So I'll export all of these. Things you do for the perfect animated GIF, honestly. Export. easygif.com. Node backend, as in what I used for OneFeed. For OneFeed, yeah, I used Node/TypeScript on the backend. I didn't actually use Express or anything. I just did Cloud Functions hosted on a Vercel. So, yeah. It just makes it really easy to deal with. Like, don't have to set up servers or anything. You pretty much just write the code and then it happens. And then, yeah. So, actually, that would be interesting. What if I try easygif.com? What if I try just adding that one white frame to the end of the last GIF? Actually, so I get this guy and this guy. Cards Against Humanity clone. That's nice. Is it like front end only or back end as well? Full stack. Solid. Okay, now we're talking. Look how, I think I can share the screen now. Look how nice this is. So what I did is I uploaded the last GIF, then I added this white one to the front. And now, and we'll say delay this for 1 frame. And now I think we might have the perfect GIF. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Looks kind of cool, honestly. Okay, cool. So now there'll be a tiny flash when the GIF repeats. Then the rest of the time, things are looking good. Did I learn all this stuff on my own? I assume you mean like coding stuff, not my beautiful animated GIF making skills. But yeah, I learned them on. Where did I learn them? Various places. I think I first started learning to code. So I didn't like take any class or anything. I first started learning to code on Codecademy. That was in like 2015 or something. But then I kind of got bored halfway through the course, so sort of just like sort of just stopped it, and then just decided to make stuff. Originally, it wasn't making things. It was just things that people don't really use, like a whatever prime number generator or those sorts of things. But yeah. And then I kind of moved on to making like things that people would actually use later on. But it's definitely an over time thing. Like I've been coding for 5, maybe 6 years now. I think almost 6 years now, maybe. So yeah, it's definitely not like a thing you can instantly learn in like a day. But you know, um, wait, did I do this wrong? Oh god, I'm so confused at this point. Is this the correct GIF? I think this is the right GIF, but no, I'll save it and see what it looks like. Okay, here's hoping that this time the GIF is the right GIF and looks nice and is very good. Alright, so that's good. We have a white background on a white background. Now we hover, and it's like boom, boom, boom. And you see a slight flash there, but I don't think, honestly, it's not like a big deal. I think, honestly, I'm happy with that. It's not perfect, but I reckon it's the best thing overall. It's not perfect, but it's alright. We can deal. We can deal with that. I'm just going to make one more double check that I'm not being an idiot and that transparent GIFs definitely did not work. Because it would be silly if we did all that and then they did work. But I'm like 99% sure that it showed with a black background, and that was because it was a transparent GIF. So, yeah. There's this one. Yep, that is looking very wrong. Cool. Okay, so I reckon what we did is it's the best of all the worlds. I mean, it's not perfect, looks a little messy, but you know what? It works. And the experience for when you hover over it from the main page is good, and that's the main thing, I guess. Because honestly, like, no one's gonna hold down their mouse for ages to see how long the animation goes, and like, by the time you're already on the product hunt page, you don't really care about it because you've already clicked on it. So I reckon we're good. To be honest, I reckon we're good. Cool. I'm happy with that, honestly. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So it's live now. Here we go. And again, you can, like, you see it like this. It looks all nice. I'm also glad I added the border. It makes it stand out a bit more. But anyway, you hover over it, and then boom, it kind of fades in like that. and fades out. And you do see like a tiny little flash there, but it's kind of minor. I'm happy with it. I think it was good. Um, yeah, I don't know if that'll actually help things. I guess we'll see. But you know, hopefully it'll just help things along a little. That's all we need. Um, can close all of these tabs now. So yeah, this was the final one we ended up using. Kind of chaotic, but worked. And if it works, it works. So yeah. How long did we spend on that? Probably way too long, like a disproportionate amount of time. But anyway, you know, looks nice. All right, how are we doing here? Solid. Yeah, I'm really happy with that, honestly. I think that's pretty cool. See, also, you can't actually really see what it is, but you can kind of see what it is, and it piques your interest enough to click on it, hopefully. How are we doing? Still like 100 votes behind. I don't know, I reckon we should probably end the stream soonish. It's like 6:46 a.m. here, so that's solid. Seven. All right. Yes, I'm happy we did that. Probably should have done it up front, now that I'm thinking of it, rather than whatever we are, 13, 14 hours into the launch. But better than late than never, probably. So yeah. How are we doing? All right, things are seeming pretty quiet, I guess. Been streaming for 12 hours and 55 minutes. The other thing is I actually haven't checked the background of this page. Okay, so that's about the same. Yeah, it's fine. Also, potentially what I can do is after the launch is actually over, I can replace it with the one that works nice on that darker background because, no, it's probably dumb and I'm kind of overthinking it. But as in, because that's unlikely to be shown in these white places as much. But then when people, like, I don't know, visit the page or something, it'll look like this. So I might do that. See how it goes. Thinking I'm gonna start drafting a start drafting a, you know, whatever you call it, a uh things for a nice launch tweet. Um, I'll probably be sleeping for most of the rest of these, however many hours it is. Um, so yeah, but see how it goes. You know what? I'm honestly, what's this video? Just gonna onefeed.app slash what's it called? Icon mask.png. Ah, but that doesn't include the border. Yes. You know what? Whatever. I'm not bothered. I guess we're just doing it like this. Oops. Don't know what went on there. Gonna do like a gonna do like a screenshot. Um, actually, I should be looking here, shouldn't I? Oh, this probably looks really silly, but whatever. I've got to have a final thingy, you know? Maybe we'll do thumbs up, I reckon. Honestly, you know what? We're going to do thumbs up. I don't even care. I know it looks silly, but too bad. Doing a live stream photo shoot. Cool. Look kind of dodgy in this hood thingy, but too bad. Too bad. I think this is all going to fit in one tweet. Maybe this goes in a tweet underneath. It's a nice call to action. I like that. prototype.com. Really, 7 characters too short. Don't have time for a smiley face. That's sad. Um, there we go. Pin. Alright, so that's it for today, I think. Probably gonna end this stream here. It's 7 a.m. now. I can see the sun rising. God, I need sleep. Um, yeah, okay. And I'm gonna, oops, what I meant to do. This. This is what I meant to do. And also because I unpinned that tweet of me, I might retweet it again, actually. The one where, this one, I'm gonna retweet this. Just shows up kind of near the top of my timeline. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, oh god, I'm so tired. Alright, I think that's it. Is there anything else we need to do before we end this? Don't think so. I'm going to enjoy my sleep. Let's just see. We're currently on 356 votes, 67 comments, second position, and 15 reviews. So we're not first, but we're the next best thing, which is second. So Yeah, let's go. I'm slightly worried about this person, Greg. But you know what? I'm sleeping. So however it ends up, that's how it's meant to end up. Let's just do a final check of this. 766 users. So before this launch, by the way, for context, I think it was 360. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've had about 400 signups, which I think is pretty good. Traffic, we've had, well, 931 today, 835 yesterday, so like 2,000-ish people. And yeah, that's that basically. I think we're done for today. So peace out and enjoy. I'm going to end now. So have fun. End. Here we go. See.